Dealing with a PNC file from Papyrus software and need to access your notes or calendar data? I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and manage these Papyrus notes and calendar data files. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken PNC. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. PNC files are data files created by Papyrus, a personal information management application for notes and calendar entries. They contain user notes, calendar events, scheduling data, and organizational information stored in the application's proprietary format for personal productivity and information management on desktop and mobile platforms. Papyrus PNC files use a proprietary format, storing structured note entries with rich text, formatting calendar event records with date time and recurrence data, category tags, and organizational metadata. The format is designed for efficient access and synchronization across Papyrus application instances. The optimal viewer for the PNC format is generally considered to be Papyrus from Papyrus team. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows offers only minimal editing support, so full capability depends on document-specific software. We are performing a full check of installed file handlers. Right-click your PNC file and choose Open With. Test with Papyrus first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is usually a simple software swap. When your PNC file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening in Papyrus. Launch the Papyrus application and it automatically loads PNC data files from its configured data directory. Notes and calendar entries display in the application's organizer interface. If the PNC file is from a different installation, copy it to the Papyrus data directory, or use the import function to load external data. Next, exporting data. Export notes and calendar entries from Papyrus to standard formats including ICS for calendar data and TXT or PDF for notes. Use the application's export functions to generate portable copies of your data that can be imported into other calendar and note-taking applications such as Google Calendar or Evernote. Finally, backing up PNC files. Regularly back up PNC files by copying the Papyrus data directory to external storage or cloud backup. The PNC file contains your complete notes and calendar database. Restore from backup by replacing the current PNC file with the backed up copy and restarting the Papyrus application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.